Trying something different today. Windy afternoon sessions. Should be pretty good. There's a good amount of disturbance on the water, so I'm hoping that I can try and slug around again. Probably stick just to it today too, so let's see what happens. Wait, he's on it. Damn. Yes. Yes. Ah, and he's another green one. Jimbo. Yeah. There's like 4 or 5 more. Just chuck at the holes, bro. Oh. Come on, up you get. Whew. What's going on here? Look at this tangled up. Oh, come on, there we go. Come on. All right. So, Sluggo take 2. How's that? Release this guy. 55-ish, 60 maybe? Probably 55. Made that, but go. Alright, well that's a good sign. I don't know if they were shut down here or remain feisty. Sorry? Because I got a big Rodney. Guess we keep casting here for a bit. Oh, I got one on it. Yeah, they're here, man. Yeah. Just hiding under the boat. Sorry? Oh, yes. Right. Get out of the water, mate. Far out. God, this one just woke up. Almost had him in the net too. Nah, man, keep casting the sluggo, hey. Like if they're taking it. Come here, mate. Oi. Come on. Don't get in the Mirage Drive. Hectic. Come on. Let's go on that shit. Come on, man. Chill pill. Out. Number 2.